Hey guys, so we're going to teach you how to graph a log function from section 2.9. If you want to follow along, you can pull out your previous graphing test. We will be doing problem number 24. Okay, so the log model is y equals log base a times the quantity of x minus h plus k. The base function is y equals log base a times x. The horizontal shifts h units. Remember that it is always the opposite sign for the horizontal shift, and the vertical shifts are k units. Remember that the function reflects the x-axis when it is less than 0, meaning that if there is a negative sign in front of the log, then it will reflect the x-axis. The key points you need to remember are 1 over a, negative 1, 1, 0, a, 1. The domain is 0 to infinity and range is negative infinity to infinity. And the vertical asymptote equals 0.
Coming to the example problem, the original equation is g of x equals negative log base 3 quantity x plus 2 plus 1. First, we must plot the points for the base function, which is y equals log base 3x. The base points for this equation is 1/3 comma negative 1, 1 comma 0, and 3 comma 1. You don't need to stretch the base function because there is no coefficient in front of the log. After plotting these points, we will reflect the equation across the x-axis because the negative sign is in front of the entire equation. Therefore, the entire equation will be less than 0. The points for this reflected graph are 1/3 comma 1, 1, 0, and 3, negative 1. Next, we must shift the graph. There is a vertical shift of 1 up and a horizontal shift of 2 to the left. Remember, the vertical asymptote is x equals negative 2. And this is the final product.